Morning students. In unit 1 finite difference, we are going to discuss about more problems on forward difference and more problems on backward difference. Problem number 1, using Newton's formula for interpolation, estimate the population for the year 1905 from the table. Here year has given 1891, 1901, 1911, 1921, 1931, and the population also has given. From the data of year, we can identify that the given problem has a equal interval. So we have to use Newton forward or backward. Now they are asking to find the population of 1905. So it's very close to the starting value. So we are going to use Newton's forward formula. The solution of the problem: to find the population for the year 1905, the value of y at x is equal to 1905. Since the value of y is required near the beginning of the table, we use the Newton's forward interpolation formula. That is, y of x is equal to y naught plus n into del y naught by 1 factorial plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square y naught plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial del cube y naught plus and so on. To find the value of y at x is equal to 1905, we have to find the value of n by using the relation x naught plus nh is equal to 1905. X naught is equal to 1801 and h is equal to 10. After simplifying the term, we are getting n is equal to 1.4. This is a forward difference table. So from this table, we can find the value for del y, del square y, del cube y, and del power 4y. And this is a procedure to find the value of y at x is equal to 1905 is equal to first value y naught 98752 plus n 1.4 into del y naught. So this is a forward difference. So we will consider the first value 33,533 plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 factorial 2258 plus 1.4 into 0.4 minus 0.6 divided by 6 into del cube y minus 10435 plus 1.4 into 0.6 minus 0.6 into minus 1.6 divided by 24 into del power 4 y naught, that is a 41376. After simplifying the data, the population of the city at the year 1905 is 1,48,313 approximately. Second problem, from the following table, find the number of students whose obtained marks less than 45. So, but here the marks has been given 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. So here we cannot proceed the problem directly. So first we will simplify the given data and then only we can proceed. Let x be the marks and y be the number of students. By converting the given series into cumulative frequency distribution, the difference table is as follows. First, we are going to consider less than 40 is a 31 and less than 50 is a, we will consider 40 to 50 and 30 to 40. The over value is a 73 and less than 60 we will adding 51 plus 42 plus 31. We will get 124 and less than 70 we will adding 35 plus 51 plus 42 plus 31 159. Less than 80 we will add all the values, we will get 190. Then as usual we can find del y, del square y, del cube y, and del power 4y. And this is a formula: y naught plus n by 1 factorial del y naught plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square y naught plus and so on. Here also first we have to find the value of n. So to finding the n, we are using the relation x naught plus nh is equal to 45. After simplifying the term, we are getting n is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore y of 45 is equal to 31 plus n 1 by 2 into del y naught, delta y naught 42 plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught is a 9 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 divided by 6 into minus 25 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 divided by 24 into 37. After simplifying all the terms, I am getting the value is a 47.867, approximately 48. So next problem, estimate F42 from the following data using backward interpolation for interpolation. Here x values are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and f of x values are 354 and so on they have given. They are asking to find the F42. F42 value of 42 is lies between 40 and 45. So it's very close to the ending value. So we are going to use backward interpolation formula. So first we will find the difference table and we are going to find the value for n by using the relation xn plus nh. We can take n or p. It's our convenient. We can consider any one of the value. This is some constant. That's it. We may consider p or v or u like that, anything. So xn is a 45 and h is a 5. We are going to find the value for x is equal to 42. After simplifying the term xn plus nh, we will get the value p is equal to minus 0.6. So this is a formula. F of x is equal to yn plus p into del yn plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square yn plus p into p plus 1 p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus and so on. Therefore yn is a yn value is a 204. Here we have to consider only the last value of del f, del square f, del cube f, del power 4f and del power 5f. We will consider only the last values because we are going to use the backward interpolation. So that for yn is a 24 and p is a minus 0.6 and del yn is a minus 27 and del cube yn is a 0 and del power 4 y1 is a 8 and del power 5 yn is a 45. After substituting and simplifying the terms, I am getting the value F42 is equal to 219.143. So next problem, find a polynomial of degree 2 which takes the values x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and y values 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16, 22 and 29. Here they are not mentioning about the value of x, the value of y corresponding to x. They are asking to find the polynomial degree. So here we can consider Newton's backward or forward any one of the interpolation formula. Now here we are using Newton's backward interpolation formula and we have to find the value for n. To finding n, I am having xn plus nh is equal to x and xn is a 7, h is a 1 and n is equal to x minus 7. Then as usual we will form the difference table, but here del cube y itself becomes all the terms become a 0. So it's not necessary to find the del power 4y, del power 5y, del power 6y and so on. And therefore in the given formula of n, we are going to replace it by x minus 7. So first value we will consider yn 29 plus n x minus 7 divided by 1 factorial into del square yn, del yn value is a 7. Last value we will consider plus n into n value x minus 7. So x minus 7 n into n plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del cube value is a 1 and the last value del power 4 value is a 0, so it's not necessary to write. So now 29 plus 7x minus 49 plus 1 by 2 into x square minus 13x plus 42. So again we are going to take the LCM. 1 by 2 I will get 58 plus 14x minus 98 plus x square minus 13x plus 42. Then I will get the polynomial f of x or y of x 1 by 2 into x square plus x plus 2. Thank you.